Hi everybody! Today we are going to play a game called Memory Shapes. We will need this sheet and we will need also scissors, okay? So first of all we are going to cut each card using the scissors. As you can see here, we have four different shapes, okay? We have the rectangle, the square, the cycle, and the triangle. Okay, so we are going to cut following these lines, okay? Okay, we have ready our shapes. We have two triangles, 1 and 2. We have two squares, 1 and 2. Two circles, 1 and 2. And two rectangles, 1 and 2. The rectangles are blue color, the circles are green color, the squares are yellow color, and triangles are pink color. Okay, so the memory game, what we need to do is to put all the cards face down. Okay, all of them will be face down. So now I mix it and I don't know where are the squares, where are the rectangles, where are the cycles. I don't know anything. So I will put face up two of the shapes, and both of them should be the same shape. Okay, so if I have I face up one triangle, then the other one, the next one I face up, should be also a triangle. Okay, but I don't know where it is a triangle, so I'm going to, for example, face up this one. Oh no, it's the rectangle, so are not the same shape. Okay, so then I will face down them again and I will face up another two. Okay, so one. Oh, this is a rectangle. Do you remember where was the other rectangle? It was here. Okay, so now I have the couple of rectangles. I have the two rectangles and then I can remove it from the list. Okay, now I will face up another two cards. For example, this one. This is a yellow square. So, where will be the other one? For example, could be, oh no, this is a triangle. This is not a square. Okay, so then again the cards must be face down. I will face up this one and this one. Oh, both are cycles, the green cycles. So then I have the couple. I can remove it from the group. And now I will face up this one. Oh, this is the square. Do you remember that we saw before the square? I think it was here. Perfect. Then I have another couple. The squares couple. And I can remove it from the group. And now I only have two, so it should be the triangles. And exactly, we have here the two triangles. And we have finished with the game. You can play as many times as you want. It's just a matter of face down again all the cards, and mix them and start again the game.